back. This video we continue on chapter 2.3. Last chapter we did discuss the string, and before that we discussed the numeric with two data type within Python. This is the third one. It's called the list. So I have also updated this mind map. So now is on every chapter you see the detailed subchapter which can refer to the sample code that we have practiced. And then for the list, actually for this video we will try to practice these contents, like is we create a list, and then within this existing list we will try to do the query of the element within the list, and we will have some basic the process about add a new element, modify the existing elements, and delete element from the list. So that is the number 3, 4, 5. It's just the normal the transaction. And also if you have multiple lists, we will practice how to merge them into one, and also some statistic the operation. So as same as we will create our new file. (2-3 py). So this will be the list. So first list is just our very basic, but it's very important the data type. It's not like integer or string. It's a combination data type actually. So you will put that into this open and close bracket. But when you create a list, you can either use this the bracket or use a list as the keywords with these parentheses. So these are both working. So create new list. So we will use my lists one is list. If you have keep these parentheses with a blank content, then you create a blank the list. So let's print type my list one and my list one. So we can try to see the class is our type is the list, and here is shown as these brackets is empty. So let's continue. So you can make my list 2 equal to this just open and close brackets. Then that is the same as we can put this as 2. So that gave you another the same type and empty. So from this you can create your list. As make that common. So we do my list 3. So we can create. We use this way, and we can start to give some content. So first is our character, or actually our the hello. So you can use one character, or you can use a string 2, 3, 4.5, and you can include another list. So maybe we see is A, B, C. So let's create this, and then we can print the type my list 3, and then my list 3. So let's run this. Okay, so I need to save first. So class list, and then what you have type here. So this we need to pay attention, and we will do more this kind of the practice. You can consider list is one dimension, just a sequence of the element, and then list content another list is create our two dimension. We will talk about more this multi-dimension is when we did some learning about the data statistic or data analytical, because then you will have a data frame and you will need to understand using list we can create a matrix. So then that definitely will be our two dimension. So, but for now, it's just you see is you can put our list inside our list. So we see print is my list 3 has here. You remember is we can put this refer to another reference elements. We want to see how many elements we have, and we used this format which we learned from the string parts. Here you remember we can use this format to control. We generate the name 1, name 2 as the different variable, so we can make that here as the dynamic. And now this dynamic is we want to use length, my list 3. We just wanted to know how many the items or elements we have. So my list has 6 elements. So how to understand that? This is the first, second, 3, 4, 5, and from the list, our list inside the list is just count as 1 element. So the total length is 4. So here in the sample, total length is A is 1, 2 is 1, 3.0 is 1, and this empty list, or we can see empty sublist is the number 4. So it's 4 element. In our sample is 6 element. So that is the actually is 2.3.1. So let's continue. We finished this one. So now you know how to create a list. Then is a query. So let's start to create our the fruit and the equipment list. So create a list equal to first my behavior is I try to make both open and close at the same time. Then I can make a return. Then that's ensures that I don't miss this close bracket. So first is the fruit. That is 1, and then we finish this, and we have our list, and we have our device, and we have another list. Within those list, actually is a valid the definition already, and then we can create something. Apple, pear. Maybe we just say banana or peach. So we can have some more, and then we have this mobile, computer, laptop, tablet. So we can create some the new ones, and then we can now start to see the type list 0. Well, what's that? So print this one. Imagine which one is length for this type list. Actually, is from last exercise you can count is 4. So the 0 is the first one. So starting from 0, then is if by the index number is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 should print the fruit. Yeah, that's correct. And then let's continue. So let me see. I want to print 1. So the 1 is print this sublist. So if I want to print banana, so then that means is I print 1, and now I go to this list. Then within this list, the banana is the number 2. So that is the way is for you to come to these detail things. So, for example, if you have this one, maybe I put here. So I create another sublist. So yellow, banana, green, banana. Don't forget about this comb. And I save. And then how to create another one. So you can use here to see the word wrap. Then they will show you this one. So let me put on this. I want to have this yellow banana. Then it's very direct. You just have these 3 levels. Now you have this this one. So let me save that. Oh, it's interesting. So I got this banana. Oh, so actually it's I use 1, 2, 0. So this 1 then 2 is banana, and 0 is come to the first character. Remember, string is also a list. So if I want to go to this sub list, here it should be the 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is our part. So I got this yellow banana. And then this also we have this -1. So what's the -1 first? So let's just put here. -1, remember on the string is for our word is the last one. It's not starting from this 0. So let's comment this. So it's suppose I got this list. So let's print. Oh, so I didn't save. Print type list -1. Am I do anything wrong? Yeah, no. So I just didn't save completely. So now you see I get this one. So similarly, is if I want to get a laptop, so just a -1, you already position this the last one. Then I go this -1's the number 2. So I go to laptop. So similarly, is if I go to 1 and the -1, I should get peach. So that is, let's put that 1, -1. Oh, let's see, -2. I want this sub list. So let's see. So you see, as expected, I got this list, and print sublist is this 0.22. So that is the slice that we understand from the string. So same. So just consider string is our list. So then all the this processing is we did or operation did in the string is valid on the list. So if I put this, then print sub list. So let me make those comments. Save. Print sub list type list. Oh yeah. So I got from 0. 0 is this one, and this big list, the sublist is 1, and finally is I go to stop on the number 2, so actually stop in this index 1. So I go this from the index is 1 and 0. So those are the this kind of the query. So let's comment this. Continue. We will do another type of the index. So you can see here we use the index there's a number of the position to find of the element content. The index is just a wise words. We use our index of the words or the content to find the position. So data index is the same. The list we have to. So type list dot index. Let's do this. It's not the bracket. It's the parentheses. So let's see the computer to see what will be happened. Print f the computer index. Yeah, just to ensure you use a different pair. So I use the double quote in the outside, and use the single quote in the inside. The index is data index. Let's see. I suppose I got arrow, correct? The arrow is I already test the second one, because computer actually is inside one sublist. Through this type list in index, I cannot find the computer. But if I put 3, let's see. So should not be the Chinese character. You see, the computer index is 1 because I use this 3. It's already positioned this sublist, and the computer is on the second position. So starting from 0, 1. So now you can print computer. So those are the index, and let's continue. So add element. So my list is equal to 1. Oh, sorry, should be the parent, the brackets 1, 2, 3. So we go to our very basic list. So the append and the insert. So you will have 2. So append, insert. The difference is if you just use the append. Append is only put our new list from the last the position. So let's see. So my list append 4. So there's nothing because it's already append to here. Let me see whether I can directly print. Is not, because these are not return our list in this append 4 this method. You need to print my list. Then now you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I print before, it's starting 1, 2, 3. Then we start to add 1. Then let's just continue. So I append another 1, 5. Then your list is keep growing. And you can also append different. So you can append any other type of the element. Like I want to put a string. So let's see. So you have the last element is a string. So but total length is already 6. So that is the append. And compared to that is what's the difference to the insert? Actually, insert you get 2 parameter. Append you don't have any the other parameter, just the content. But insert you can put the position as the first parameter. So my list, if I give them is just the A, B, C. So I should try to use some different way, just to let you know is you have flexibility to create your list, use the double quote, so single quote, use the capital short, so that's no matter. So, the key is we want to test the method. So insert 1 means I insert in the number 1. So 1 is remember A is in the number 0, and 1 is actually the B's position. So when we say 1, is the insert before this B. Even these 2 are both integer, but the second one is actually the content. Here is just our content. I put here, and then when I can print my list, and also here print my list. You can see the difference. So first ABC, then I insert our integer. So, but if I insert a float, it's no difference. It's here. And also remember is you must insert within this scope or the range. If I put this, I put our 10 as no need 25. You will get the let me see. So it's 25. This 30. If you create our list more than the length of your list, it just insert this value to the last. Then this that means is this number is no much reference. So try not use this way, because if your list is keep growing, it can generate some errors. So now you know how to add. But then is I continue is how to modify the element. Modify is actually is no specific the wording, so it just modifies because when you can query, you can just give a new the name or the new the contents or the new values. So my list, let me see, the number 1 is this B. So I gave them our capital B. Then let me print. So you can consider small b change to the big B. So that's no the special. So it just modifies means you reassign our new value to the queried element. So let's continue. I hope this pace is okay for you, because as I mentioned, we want to as quickly as possible moving to the next part, but we still need to ensure we have the foundation, the knowledge recapped for those Python we will use. So then let's see, delete element from list. So if you want to delete, you have one way is just remove. Second is you can do this pop. Pop is like a stack, and also you can use the delete common the method. So that is the three way. So let me create my list here. So we can make some and we create some duplicate B's. So you have a total 7 this length. So let's just print that is fine. And let's did our remove. Remove B, and like let me print again. So you see here, I got an arrow, list remove X, X not in the list. So it's similar like this. If you want to remove something not exist in the list, so you need to notice this capital B is different like this lowercase b. So you cannot remove that. So let's back to the lowercase b. So after that, you can see here, the total number is -1 from the first one. And when you remove a b, we have a multiple b. They just remove the first one. So remove, but you can keep the load days. So next one, they will remove further. So once a time. So you cannot remove the multiple time at the same time. So that is 1. So let me comment that. Second one is if you use the same list, we can do the pop. So list is our method. So pop is if I transfer our parameter into this list, then they will pop this position. So 0 means this A. So let's verify. So I should get our list without A now. So you can see correct. So let me also keep print this one. So you can see A is disappear, and the total length is getting shorter. And then this we can use the pop, the nothing. So let's see, without any parameter here, then what happened is that they pop from the last. So if I want to have a pop, keep pop is already on in the this one. So I want to pop number 3. What is number 3? It's number 3 is the last B. So let's see. So we have 3B and C. So that's correct. So these are the pop. And also let me comment this. And then we go to the delete. So my list is this one, and the delete is not our list method. It's the external, the common method is our keywords. My list number 2, and then print my list. So consider what that means is 0, 1, 2. So we should have our 3B. So let's see. So we have a 3B, correct? And if I delete my list without any additional the element, then my list will gone. So you can see. So my list, DL my list. Then print my list. Name my list is not defined because we already delete that. So this one is we need to get is we will get arrow. So that is our delete part. And then we're moving forward for the last 2. So one is the merge multiple list. So first is let me copy this. So we can still keep using that. So let's create our another one, my list 2. So here is missing one T, so but it's fine. So let me see. This is just some integers, and what we have is just use the standard the add. So my list 3 equal to my list plus my list 2. Then let's print my list 3. So we should have our first one and add our list 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is our the merge. So you add between the list, and then that is one thing. And also you can make this list with the multiply. So let's see, my list 3 equal maybe 4 equal to my list 2 times 4. So print my list 4. So what you get, you will get our 4 times of the elements list into our new list. So that is also very direct. So let's moving to the last chapter. So is the statistic list element. So one thing is we already did is if I have our the list, so just is my list, and we did is one static is the length. So print length my list. So we got this 5, and also print min my list. I got this minimum number, and print max my list. So I got the top or the maximum. So those are some these functions that you can use. So just to keep the distinguish, if you load my list dot something, that is the method within the my list. But if you put some the word this command and put my list into the parentheses after the command, these actually are function. So or your case is kind of the predefined, or you can define this function. So that's the different way. But for us, is no matter, we will just try to use those to deal with our list. So I hope the last one is this count. So count is a formula. Is this kind of the method. So if I put here, I have a 3, 3, 3, 3. So I have a multiple 3. Then if I see is my list count 3. So what I got is 5. This 5 is 5 times of the 3 appeared in your list. So that's the they count this. And if you put, I just wanted to see 5, then its count is go to 1. And if you want to see, oh, I want to count is how many 10s in my list, is 0, because 10 is not in your list. So we can use this 3 as the meaningful part, or maybe it's so just distinguish from this 8, the maximum number. So we have 8, 3. So now it's generate 8. Okay, so that's our quick, just a half an hour. Hope we recap what's the knowledge, key knowledge in the list within Python. Next one is we may go quicker for this tuple. So let's see you in the next video. Have a nice day.